So I am recording this video tonight. There's a lot of coins. So unfortunately, I was in longs on BTC and ETH, but they're not the runners tonight. Okay, like I still think they're primed to go higher, but obviously, as you guys see, Solana is doing amazing. Came right into here. And it's pumping. Sui doing a lot better. XRP not so much. Hype not so much. Fartcoin not so much. Link. But I'm gonna show you some other ones that are doing it. This is OM Mantra. This is Mantra. But remember, this is the coin that, I mean, this thing. But I do think it has, I told people, so it was that huge, like, scam thing where it got tanked from, like, $7 or whatever, right? And it has not rebounded even close to that. But I still think this project has hope. It is a big project. And you're able to buy it at 22 cents. But obviously there's a big, if you were a big investor in this, it would be very alarming right now for you. Basically what happened was, there was a bunch of big traders with big bags, and what they did was they basically shorted the market on OKX or something for this token. They just massively dumped. I don't know, that's the story behind it. It seems crazy, but we're talking about a massive position against it. And literally forced it down to nothing. But let's look at some other ones that have been pumping today. We'll do like the 30-minute chart. Not so much of gas, but let's go down the list. What I was looking at, H bar. Now it's pumping. I was gonna say H bar. But we're just so bullish tonight, it'd be crazy to fight that trend. But maybe you get some reaction up here. I'm sure there's people trying to short this right now, but I don't know. It's pretty bullish. I mean, it could. I'm gonna just mark this up just for fun. I'm not taking this, but something like that. 1 to 3 risk to reward. That could play out, possibly. But let's keep going down the list. Okay, so WorldCoin has been making a huge comeback from 90 cents. I don't even know what the news was. I need to actually look at it. What does this get? Huh. Never seen this. This is kind of cool. Jeez, 123. We got so much debt. China's at 80%. Wow. We're by far the highest. Oh no, right there. Oh wow, that's a lot. Okay, off topic there. So if you're on TradingView, pop this up, go to micro maps. which is pretty cool. There's all types of different things. But anyways, we are on a pullback now on it, but Jupiter. I don't know if I would short anything tonight. We're pretty bullish. Oh, drift. So it's really weird. There's certain tokens really pumping today. It's kind of cool to see. I personally am the wrong ones. I took ETH and BTC. I mean, yeah, they're up. Oh, I did take Solana on this one. Dude, look at that entry. I sniped that today. Perfect entry. Should I close it? Yeah, maybe. I don't know. We'll get to that. I'm gonna let it figure itself out for a minute. But anyways, Aerodrome's definitely something you guys need to be watching right now. I think it's brewing. See all this liquidity just sitting here. We're just brewing to go higher. I personally think this is just building up for the next leg. So I can show you. See, BTC don't look like that. ETH is kind of brewing, but this could get swept. It's possible. But there's always going to be the sweep down, and then we go higher. So, you know, it's never that, you see it, it's always the liquidity sweep before the push high. It's always a huge, massive sweep before it pushes higher. Always. It forced the money down. This one hit the 618. Let's go look at this on the fib, on the last sweep. Watch this. Where was that last sweep? Oh, we were just looking at, oh, over here. I don't know what the high is. We gotta zoom in. Hold on. What is that? No. Okay. I guess that one only hit like a 382. Oh, we're not going from the true low. Boom. Okay. Well, no, that's not even the full range. Hold on. This whole thing's messed up. Hold on, guys. So if we went from here to here, 618. That's if you're starting from there. Okay. Which is actually what we did here. We did from the last landing. So, what I'm getting at though is, you can say, just like this, look at, drop, swept all this, all that, and I personally would say, right now, we did sweep here, but then again it just hit that, so it's a tough call. A lot of times the sweeps, I mean, it tapped into that, you know. I would say, but we haven't been rebounding out of this. I do think what can happen is, one scenario is, and a very probable scenario is, they come sweep all this, take all this out, and all this, maybe even down to here, and then we push up. Very probable. you have to think, what are they going to do? Market makers want to take liquidity before pushing higher and giving it to us. So, that's one scenario. Solana is just killing it today. But there's big anticipation that the ETF's about to get approved. Oh, I did see today that the Dogecoin ETF got approved, but it didn't do anything. Now, the big thing I want you guys to be on. I'm going to go through all these until we get to the coin, the big surprise I'm going to tell you guys. In a very, very, very profitable trade if we can get the right entry. And today, I'm going to show you where I could have got in at. I'm really mad that I didn't. I was at the car auction, and I didn't take the entry. This could be, I mean, we tapped into this. We could short this. It's possible. This could turn into a short. I might actually watch this tonight. Dude, I might even take this right now. This looks really good. Doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. I'm gonna watch this closely because we popped into this resistance here. That obviously, if you would have caught that top, it would have been perfect. But might be able to catch something here. Maybe. We'll see. But I'm going to show you guys the coin that you do want to be watching. Not Pepe, which, let's look at Pepe on the higher time frames. Shit. This is on a pullback. This could be a good short. If the market's going to sweep. And this could sweep before we really push higher. I mean, even this doesn't look bad. The 2-to-1, 2.4. Okay, so this is the one. SPX6900 is getting listed on Coinbase tomorrow. So, yes, it's been pumping. It's in resistance as we speak. I'm hoping for a nice little pullback from here. And what I'm hoping for is something. Yeah, I'd love to get down here if I could, but it just depends on this pullback. I'm going to be watching it tonight. Let me make sure. And it's just a tweet that I saw. You never know if it's official. I guess I could ask AI. Let me make sure. Oh, it already got listed. It's on here. Okay. Well, there's that. That's why it's pumping tonight. It did get listed. It's on here. So, that kind of explains things. We already missed it. I could have got in, I'll show you, at the auction around here at 11 a.m. I could have got in down here. I almost did. It's a 10% gain. Oh well, I missed it. You know, there's always another setup. It is what it is. Not the end of the world. But there's been a few other coins that blew up today. Oh, Ondo. I don't even know what the news for it is, but Ondo started blowing up today. Not sure what the news was, but it went from 95 cents to $1.05. So it pumped pretty good. I'm not sure if there was news or what it was, but it definitely did good. Hold on. Boom. Alright. So, I'm gonna wrap this up. I just want to make a quick video because markets were pumping, markets were doing stuff. I also want to tell you about the SPX listing on Coinbase. I thought that was tomorrow. I literally saw the post on X this morning. Why is Pyth pumping so much too, and Drift? Oh, it's just all the Solana protocols. All the shit attached to Solana is pumping right now.
Can you use the restroom, brush your teeth?
Solana's what you should be in right now. But now we're in pullback territory. We might pull back. I don't know. We'll see. But, alright guys. Appreciate y'all. I will see you tomorrow morning. I'm going to post this video. Appreciate y'all. Have a good night. See you tomorrow morning. 9 a.m. Eastern, 6 a.m. Pacific. Like always, hit the like, the follow, subscribe button. I do this every day. In the morning, really, we're live trading if you're just now watching this. But, man, that Solana entry was cold. That was to the dot. Should have put more on it. Even BCTC are still there still. They just haven't moved much. You know, they just haven't moved a lot. I think they'll be okay. We'll let them do their thing. I think everything's... Honestly, I'm going to start looking at some of these other coins to trade. Like, I don't know if you guys even know what this thing is. MYX. Dude, this thing... Like, what in the hell? This thing went from $1 to $20. What even is this coin? That's what I want to know. Let's ask. Hold on. Let's do this together. Yeah, about 15. Okay. So, MYX Finance, decentralized exchange platform, operates on the BNB chain. So, went, oh my goodness, 10 cents to $16. That is crazy. Oh, Analysts warn of controlled pumps and red flags like coordination by whales. It's not organic growth. But hey, if you bought that early, I mean, you gonna be mad about it? I mean, no. Definitely not gonna be mad about it. At this point, it's hesitant, you know. Guess we'll stay tuned. Great game. What's up? I'm not playing the game, so obviously you're a bot over there on Twitch. What I was gonna say, most of the tokens that are performing the best right now, guys, are things like Aerodrome. They're DeFi protocols that do lending, borrowing, shit like that. That's what's running right now. Hyperliquid, #1 exchange per exchange right now, right? Why I didn't buy into this sooner, I know. I kept trying to wait for, I know. I don't have an excuse. I kept waiting. We've traded it, but this thing just doesn't stop going. I wish I bought spot. I mean, I remember talking about this in May or April, March, and 12. I mean, it makes me sick because I didn't buy it, but it is what it is, guys. And then you got things like War Liberty Fund's not doing good. I mean, I feel like this thing is gonna rebound at some point. Like, they're not gonna just let this thing crumble like this. Yeah, 20 cents. But, what was I gonna say? The Aerodrome's doing really good. Uniswap, not really. They don't really do all that. I'm gonna find out what's going on with WorldCoin. I'm a holder of WorldCoin, so I'm stoked this is happening, but I'm also curious as to what pumped it. Oh wait, right here. Upbit listing. Okay. Oh, we got some action on it. I'm gonna dig into this. I'll see. I'm gonna dig into this. But like Jupiter's waking up. I think Jupiter's a great, you know, these things, Zeus, Drift, Aerodrome, great buy. It's been doing great, right? If you just bought in June at 60 and 50 cents, you've already tripled your money. Having a brain fart right now, but there's Ondo's a really good one too. That's pumping a lot. KSM, maybe not so much them. But these are the coins. Curve was doing good. It's rebounding, but there's a lot of these that are doing really good right now. They're all like some type of protocol, right? They're lending, borrowing, stuff like that. And those are the tokens I've been noticing they're really outperforming everything else as of now. Right now. We're just talking about right now. Hands down, Hyperliquid. I mean, dude. They win. I mean, dude, there's nothing doing what they're doing right now, man. They're killing it. I mean, this token is just killing it. It has been just keep going up and up. Oh, and this is what I was going to say. Because they're buying back their tokens. They do 100% buybacks. So all the money they're making, they're redistributing it back into the token. Where's Pump? That's what I was going to tell you. Pump is now also, why is this not on my list? It is on my list. So where is it? So Pump is also doing this with their tokens, guys. Why? Where? I'm confused right now. Where is Pump at? There. Why is it down here? No. We need to be watching. It was down there with the meme coins on my list. I understand my list. You know what I mean? I know it's a little disorganized, but we need to keep. Obviously, the tokens I trade the most, I keep up here. Not necessarily Maker, but there's some stuff up here. That's on my alert list, but I go through my list. Pump, you could have got at 0027. You know, it's almost back to the listing prices. Almost. Not quite, but it will be. Because they're doing the buybacks. They're buying all their tokens back. You might get some nice little short opportunities tonight. I mean, maybe. Might just come down to the latest support levels. Maybe. I mean, I'm sticking with the longs. I'm not going to start going short. I just think maybe Solana. Let's do this.
Oh, in language arts, what we're then doing like our project, or like the thing we were supposed to do, we can
Let's do this. I'm going to close the Solana line, by the way. That's.
And we took like this practice
I
test.
just don't. I don't know.
And when we were done, we got to do whatever we wanted.
You know what? I'll just do this instead.
About like,
217. Tight stop. Boom. I didn't update it. What the fuck? Oh, position. There we go. 217 and 225. We're gonna let this thing. So if it comes down to here,
what? I can't see anything. Look at what?
it's gonna sell. I think that's fair. This might want to drop finally. This new token that we're just looking at. This could be a good short. Maybe. It could be. I'm gonna try it. Oh wow. Ooh. Might put too much on that. Oh shit. No, it's just moving fast. Oh, that was a horrible entry. RSI in the 1 minute was tough. Oh gosh. Oh shit. This is not good. Anyways, I'm gonna watch this for a minute. I'm gonna end the stream. Definitely put too much on this. Oh man, I'm gonna have to close this thing. Wait a second, that didn't even hit my stop loss. Oh, is this a liquidation? Oh, and now it drops. Okay, that was a waste of money. Well, that was dumb. Okay. Well, I'm gonna call it a night, guys. That was a horrible mistake. I didn't even mean to put that much on it either. But buying it up here is not a good idea either. I just thought the shorts were looking okay. I don't know. I'm just gonna let it be, I think. It does look like it could reject here, but I don't know. If the rest of the market wants to keep even that doesn't look good. BTC's pumping. And it's not pumping, but it's going up. But anyways, I'm gonna get this video out, guys. I appreciate y'all. Have an amazing night. Thank you. And I'll see y'all in the morning. Peace out.